Hey there, Kaz. This is Alex. I'm with Advanced Digital Marketing. I spoke to you earlier yesterday. Today's Tuesday, the 10th. Getting this video out to you, I'm going to talk to you about three different strategies that you can actually use yourself to bring in more customers to your business through your website and online marketing. You might be sitting there wondering why I'm creating this video, why I called you up to do it, what's in it for me kind of thing. Well, I found that a great way to start off a relationship with any business owner is by providing value and showing you, proving to you that I actually, I know what I'm doing, okay? I found that many times the biggest hesitation or reason for hesitation for business owners to work with someone like me or hire someone like me in the marketing space is you don't always know who's an expert and who isn't. Okay, so that's what I look to do, and actually provide you a free attack plan of actual things you can do yourself to impact your business. Okay, and oftentimes it results in local business owners, still raising their hands and saying, Alex, he seems like you know what you're doing. I like you. Take care of this for me. Okay. Let's get this done and let's make money together. Right. That's what this is all about. We're both trying to grow our businesses here. So yeah, again, this is a free attack plan. If you want to use it for yourself, I'm totally cool with that. It's going to be three different things that will set your company above your competition, ultimately rank your business at the top of Google. So Kaz, the first thing I want to talk to you about on your website, so it's always content. So content is key. This is one of the first things. And you got a good amount, okay? You got a decent amount. You probably have about 500 words of content, okay, on your homepage. And what I suggest is we're going to need about at least 1,200 to 1,500 words of content, okay? And we're going to have to use specific keywords, okay, that are targeting people and looking for your service, okay. So here you got water damage. The thing is I actually mainly just went over water damage on the keywords. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of these keywords, and this is, bear with me, this is mainly just Riverside and Corona area that I went over because you really got so many different areas to target, which is great. Okay, I'm just giving you a little base case study, okay, to save both of our time here. So look, water damage Riverside's got 60 search terms right there, 50 here, 40 there, okay. And then I want to show you right here. So water damage Glendale gets 70 searches a month, which I notice you are already ranking for a decent amount, but not on the first page. And then there's water damage Riverside. Look at that, 150 searches a month. Okay, and I want to show you the cost per click. So cost per click is the Google ads, right? So these are Google ads, okay? And this would be your top competitors. These are your top organic competitors, okay? And I threw in your top competitor for water damage Riverside, okay? That's 150 searches a month again. So Superior Restoration Riverside, this is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. Okay, Ahrefs is going to show you the traffic that these guys receive. That's 108 people on their website on a monthly basis. Okay, you can see the keywords that they rank for. What do you know? Riverside water damage. Again, there it is, 150 searches a month. Water damage Riverside, that's 60. Okay, restoration 40. That's like 200, a little over 250 searches a month just from the Riverside area, okay? And we could target obviously all of these other areas. Sorry about that. We could target all of these different areas. Desert Hot Springs, Santa Monica, Glendale, Pasadena, Rancho, it goes on and on. So yeah. So I mainly just showed you Riverside area though. So those are the keywords we're going to want to use, and we put them on the home page, and maybe make a different location page for each and every single one of these areas, and we will absolutely blow up your sales, boost them out the roof, okay, and it'll completely work out. So yeah, that's going to be content. We're going to need more content on your site. I want to go over citations with you. So citations are going to help you. For example, water damage Glendale. You're in Glendale, I noticed. We want yours to be up here in the top 3, okay, in the Google Map Pack. Anytime someone looks that up, I believe you're like number 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're at 6. And how you do that is by having more citations, which citations are business name, address, and phone number. I call it the NAPs. So name, address, phone number. Okay. Here's another tool. Oh, by the way, that tool Ahrefs that I use for the keywords, it's about $100–$150 a month. Okay. You can use it yourself if you need to. And then Whitespark is about $30–$50 a month. Okay. This is going to show you your citations. So look, you only have about 5 citations right now. Paul Davis Restoration's got 34. ServPro of West Riverside. Okay. So we're going to need about 50 more. I always like to just double what your top competitor has. That way you're so much ahead, they can't even catch up to you. They don't know what hit them, right? So, see, you can see ServPro, these guys have more citations, and that's why they're up there above you on the Google Map Pack. And then, of course, there's also pictures and Google reviews. So good thing you're pretty much up there with them on the Google reviews. We could get a little bit more. I got some templates that work great. You send them to the past clients, and it really helps. And then we could add some more pictures to your profile on here. Whether it's the start of a job, before and after. Some pictures of the crew, some truck pictures. And we got to save these pictures as keywords. It'll really help when you actually optimize the pictures. Okay. So yeah. And that's the Google Map Pack, right? And that citations pretty much sums it up. You're probably familiar with Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook even. So you can go here and copy what your competitors have and you don't have. See? So we need a citation on your Facebook page. You have a Better Business Bureau account. We could use Yelp maybe, right? But the list goes on and on. There's really so many. Those are just the commonly known ones. So the third thing I want to go over with you is gonna be backlinks. So I like to call them link juice. Okay. So we can see you have 144 backlinks. Okay. And 64 referring domains, which is pretty good. This is going to be the power ratio of the websites pointing to your site, and this is the trust. Okay. So again, I threw you in here, your website in there, and we're only getting 7 searches a month. Okay. And your top competitor's getting somewhere around 100, right? 108. And another way we could beat them and rank up there with them is by this is called the copycat method. So you click on their links here, referring domains. You could hypothetically take every single one of these links that they have and put your website on these other websites, pointing to yours. Now, how this works is, let's say you have website A pointing to website B, okay? And site A is acting like link juice, okay? Pointing to site B. It's more authority in Google's eyes, okay? Google knows website A. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. For it to be as effective is you want websites that are relevant to your business. So relevant to water damage repair, fire damage repair, mold, right? That you do mold as well, mold remediation. Okay, so websites that are relevant to that. So you don't just grab, I said it's the copycat method. You don't just grab anything because sometimes they don't have the best websites pointing to theirs either. And if you don't grab those links and you grab just what's good from them, that'll set you apart. And I have access to blog posts, guest posts, whole networks with all kinds of marketers that I'm networked with, connected with, and we have access to large website databases that are, these websites are very authoritative and relevant in Google's eyes to your business niche. Okay, so we can get it going right away, and get relevant websites pointing to your site. I like to say, we're not going to put your website link on Pizza Hut or cars.com because you don't slang pizzas or cars. Okay, we're in the water damage restoration business, fire repair, okay, things like that. So we want them to be relevant again to your website and powerful, authoritative. Google knows them, right? And then they're pointing to your website saying, I know these guys. These guys are relevant to water damage, on and on. Okay. So I know I got a bit repetitive there, but I just wanted to nail that in so you get a good idea of it. But yeah. So we catch up to your competitors on backlinks, referring domains, and then of course we want to get more citations, optimize your photos on your Google business page, your reviews, and then last but not least, we need to fill your content. We need to add probably about 1,000 more words and use the correct keywords on there. So when Google scrapes through your home page and your service pages, it starts to recognize, oh, they're relevant. They do water damage repair Riverside, right? Where is it here? But yeah, you get the point. They do Riverside water damage. That's what and it goes on and on. Glendale water damage, okay? And these Google ads, by the way, I wanted to bring up with you one last note. So look, Riverside water damage apparently is $0 a click. It means it's not too competitive, okay? However, look, water damage Temecula, for example, $100 a click. $100 every time someone clicks on it for Temecula. So Riverside looks like a gold mine right now, okay? Apparently it's not too competitive. Obviously, people get water damage everywhere. Doesn't matter what city it is, okay? Like Orange County, $115 a click. I know it's it's not a cheap project to get done. It's a on-demand service. I'm sure you guys offer financing and stuff. But look, if it's $0 a click, $5 a click, those are some pretty nice margins, and I could help you bring business as soon as you decide to agree to do business with me. So yeah, I went over 3 things again: content, citations, backlinks. Again, Kaz, this is a free attack plan. You could take this info that I gave you today and do it yourself if you really want to. I'm totally cool with that. I get it. However, if you're looking for a more straight shot, looking to save yourself some time, and you realize that, I got some tricks up my sleeve, I'd love to help you out. Just, give me a call. I'll talk to you more about it. We can create a scope of work and talk about what needs to be done. But yeah, hope you found this information valuable, which it is. And yeah, I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.